Hello everyone. So all you need to know about hysteroscopy. As I mentioned before, hysteroscopy means a surgery which is done to see inside of the womb. यूट्रस के अंदर के पार्ट को विजुअलाइज करने के लिए. Now hysteroscopy is usually of two types, diagnostic and operative. Diagnostic hysteroscopy means when hysteroscopy is done to make a diagnosis. जब कुछ पता लगाने के लिए hysteroscopy करी जा रही है. Hysteroscope is put inside without any cut. As I mentioned, this surgery is a no-cut surgery. And in diagnostic hysteroscopy, we just see the structure inside the uterus and make a diagnosis. पता लगाते हैं कि कोई बीमारी है या नहीं है. Whereas operative hysteroscopy is one in which surgery is performed simultaneously. So we see inside the uterus and we already know that there is a disease and we treat the disease. यूट्रस के इनसाइड की कंडीशंस जैसे कि फाइब्रॉइड है या किसी का थिक है अंदर की यूट्रस की लाइनिंग. सो व्हेन वी नीड टू सी एंड ट्रीट साइमल्टेनियसली देन इट इज नोन एज ऑपरेटिव. नाउ हाउ कैन यू डू इट एंड वेयर कैन यू डू इट? So hysteroscopy can be done either in OPD setting or it can be done under anesthesia. So it can be done in the OPD setting without anesthesia also. Short procedures can be done without anesthesia. Whereas at times when the procedure is long, then your doctor may give you anesthesia, short anesthesia, and do the procedure. Recovery time after diagnostic hysteroscopy, you can go home same day, no extra recovery time is required. Whereas अगर कुछ operative हुआ है, if you have undergone an operative hysteroscopy, then depending on the procedure what has been done, you may be advised a rest period of maybe 2 days or 3 days. It depends upon the nature of surgery that has been performed. Hysteroscopy is a very safe procedure. It is a very simple procedure. The recovery is easy. It is easy to see and to treat the disease simultaneously. And the most important thing is it is very accurate. At times जब हम अल्ट्रासाउंड करते हैं या जब हम इमेजिंग मोडालिटीज़ की मदद लेते हैं तो वी जस्ट सी द स्ट्रक्चर एंड वी थिंक दैट दिस इज द डिजीज विच इज गोइंग ऑन. वेयर एज व्हेन वी डू द हिस्ट्रोस्कोपी तो हमें डायरेक्टली दिख जाता है ये डिजीज़ है या नहीं. सो वेन एवर एडवाइज्ड, वेन एवर इंडिकेटेड, इट इज़ अ सेफ प्रोसीजर and one should get it done in correct place. Thank you.